जय गौर श्री राधा रमणो विजयते। वंदे हम श्री गुरौ श्रीयुतपद कमलम। That's my Pachala. श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान सहगण ललिता। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Foremost extending my extreme love in the lotus feet of my everything, Shri Radha Raman Lal, the one who has made sure that I walk on this path very beautifully, my Sadgurudev Maharaj sitting right in front of me, the guide, the light of our lives. And thanking Shantanu ji, Uttara ma'am ji, the Millennium School and the Adi Vidya Foundation. I'm very, very excited to do Seva for the mission that you've created, because ultimately this is what is the ultimate goal of everyone's life. We are here not to fulfill our selfish interest. In fact, do something that can make this world a better place to live. About 6-7 years back, I read a very beautiful story that ignited a fire in me. I read that there was a father who was making very beautiful pots and spoons out of clay. He was doing pottery. The same clay he was using to make mugs, jugs, spoons, a lot of things, plates. His very small son came to him and said, "Pitaji, I also want to make something like you are making." He put the same clay on the rotator and started to rotate it and tried to give a shape to that clay. But because he didn't know the quality, how to frame it, he couldn't make anything out of that clay. He was very, very sad. Then his father was looking at him very, very keenly. So he thought that maybe I'm getting insulted. So he left the clay on the side, went to the other side, got one cup which was already made and kept it on the rotator. He said, "Pitaji, this is what I have made." His father said, "My son, you can only shape the clay until it's not dry. केवल जब तक ये माटी गीली है, आप जो चाहे इस माटी से बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब आप उस गीली माटी को शेप कर रहे हैं, you are giving the संस्कार to that clay, that how it is going to be used in the future. अगर आप उसको ग्लास का आकार दे रहे हैं, so it is going to be used to drink, not eat food." That inspired me. I talked to Maharaji and he paved the enlightenment कि एक ऐसा संकल्प which takes everybody from that गीली माटी to the ultimate utensils, from nothing to infinity. NIMAI, निमाय. पर उसको शुरू करने के लिए it was very important to give that संस्कार. What are we going to make out of निमाय? What is going to be that संस्कार? सत्य. अहमेवा समेवाग्रे नान्यद् यत् सत्सत्तरम् पश्चादहं यदेतच्च यो वशिष्येत सोऽस्म्यहम् ऋतेर्थं यत् प्रतीयेत न प्रतीयेत चात्मनि तद्विद्यात् मनोमायां यथा भासो यथा तमः यथा महन्ति भूतानि भूतेषु च वचेष्वनु प्रविष्टान्यप्रविष्टानि तथा तेषु न ते स्वहम् एतावदेव जिज्ञासं तत्त्वजिज्ञासुनात्मनः अन्भयव्यतिरेकाभ्यां यत् स्यात् सर्वत्र सर्वदा। जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयादितरतश्चार्थेष्वभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदाय आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्र सूर्यः तेजो वारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं सत्यं परं धीमहि. What is that eternal reality connecting every human to that one ultimate Satya is the sir of that sanskar. साचो इक राधा रमन झूठो सब संसार. Is adar, respect, and that respect shouldn't be controlled depending upon who is standing in front of you. Na ham vipro na ch narpati na pi vaishyo na shudro. नाहम वरणी न च गृहपतिर्नो वनस्थो यतिर्वा किंतु प्रोद्यन निखिल परमानंद पूर्णामृताब्धे गोपी भरतु पद कमलयोर दास दासानुदास जीवेर स्वरूप होय नित्य कृष्णदास. You can never, if you really want, in order to progress in your life, the respect you have in your heart should be equal towards a 2-year-old or an 80-year-old. You cannot discriminate. This is what Nimai Pathshala teaches, that it is very important to be equal towards everybody. The third sanskar, the first is the eternal satya, the second is adar, the respect, how you need to behave in this world. The third is niyam, the discipline. God also helped those who help themselves. It is very important to do hard work in your life and then surrender it to the ultimate entity. And now it's his desire, how he wants what from you. Niyam, discipline. Arjun said, Bhagwan, I'm so confused. This material world is so fascinating. I try to be good and then suddenly something happens and I become aggressive. I become egoistic. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramathi balavadranam. Bhagwan says, hey, Arjun, I am the creator, don't tell me. I know that's my maya, my power. Asanshayam mahabaho mano durnigraham chalam abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena chagriyate. The only way you will succeed in your life is by practicing, 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 and again practicing. That is the only ultimate way. You cannot refrain yourself from working tomorrow because you failed today. You never know that tomorrow is your day. Niyam. The next sir, which is the basis of that sanskar that we give to our children in Nimai Pathshala, is Sanyam, patience, which is the most important. A person who has no patience actually becomes the ultimate patient of the hospital. ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः संगस्तेषु पजायते संगात् संजायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृति विभ्रम स्मृति भ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. A man, a person is not declared dead until, if a person goes to the hospital and his heartbeat is not working, doctors don't declare him dead. They will give him the shocks so that he can be revived. But a person who reaches the hospital whose brain is dead, he is brought declared dead. If you have no patience in your life, you will be very aggressive. And if you're going to be aggressive, then your power to take the right decision will diminish. Your mind will stop working. Have you ever realized when you get angry, you sometimes end up speaking words, vacho vegam, manasakrodha vegam, jibba vegam, udarapastha vegam, etan vegan. It's so crazy that when we get angry, we speak such hard words to people we love the most and later regret. Acha gusse mein bol diya na. You know na, I love you, I didn't mean that. It's so ironical. It is very, very important to be patient, to have the patience in your life. And this is what we teach in Nimai Pathshala, that how in your life you need to learn the art of responding, not reacting. Hey, you crazy? You are super crazy. How dare you call me crazy? I will never talk to you. Became aggressive, forgot why he's here, what he's here, and landed up in a crazy fight. You crazy? Talking to the wall? Bye. Why do you want to waste your time talking to people who have come in your life to ruin your peace of mind? Why would you let them win? Learn the art of living. Sanskara. A is the acharan. Acharan means stop dictating the change. Be the change and the world will follow you. The problem in our life is that we want others to do as we want. And in reality, we are not doing it the way we want others to do. A father taught his son, don't ever lie. After some hours, the boss called. The father said, tell the boss, Papa is not at home. Kya, Papa? Tell the boss, Papa is not at home. Sir, Papa is saying that Papa is not at home. Be the change. You want the world to be a better place, first you be a better person. You want people to love you, first start giving love to others. You want people to respect you, first start respecting other people. Sanskar. The next, I forgot one K in between. One is Satya, Adar, Niyam, then is Sanyam, then K is Karuna. It is very important to be humble. Trinadapi Sunichena, Tarorapi Sahishnuna, Amanina Manadena, Kirtaniya Sadahari. What kind of children we want to build in this Gurukul? Who genuinely are humble, who always know how to make the other person standing in front feel better. The art of being grateful, the sense of gratitude. The next A, as I said, is Anukaran, Acharan, and the last is responsibility. Learning spirituality, doing bhakti does not mean that you have to leave your responsibilities. A lot of people think bhakti means leaving everything, going to the jungle, leaving your family. Bhakti means stopping everything you do and just go and just serve the God. No. The God has given us a duty by giving us birth in this universe as somebody. And doing your duty as a Tvameva Mata, Chapita Tvameva, Tvameva Bandhu, Chasaka Tvameva, Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva, Tvameva Sarvam, Mama Deva Deva. Your responsibility towards your parents, your children, your career, your boss, everything needs to be done with the utmost priority and purity. And then, how does that karma of yours becomes bhakti? कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियेर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना अनुसित स्वभावात् करोति यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयेत् कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. Surrender everything that you have done. Thakurji, I am taking very well care of my children, my students. Leaving my sick mother, going to the school early morning, doing my responsibilities, running back to the hospital, taking care of her. Why? Why do you think somebody has to make so much effort? I am performing my role in the best way. Why? To please my mother-in-law, please my husband? No. Because this is what you have given me as a role, and when I will perform it in my best capacity, I know that you are going to be very happy. And that is my ultimate destination. Brahma arpanam brahma havir, Brahma agno brahmanahutam, Brahmaiva tena gantavyam, Brahma karma samadhinam. So this is what Nimai Pathshala for everybody is, wherein we teach, Maharaji told us about the nectar that this spiritual education is going to give. But in order to get that nectar, you need a pot wherein you can store that nectar. A person will only come to a temple if he has the samskar of spirituality. When we'll open this Gurukul, at that time also, only those who want their children to be spiritually educated will get in connection with us. So in order to have that sanskar, wherein we are going to bring that revolution in the world, we need to first clean that pot. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhava mahadava agnir nirvapanam shreya kairava chandrika vitaranam vidya varu jivanam anandam buddhivardhanam pratipadam purnamrita swadanam sarvatmastapanam param vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Only when the pot is going to be clear, it's going to be pure, then the nectar which you're going to pour in that pot is going to taste beautiful. So Maharaji is doing the duty of giving the nectar, and what we are trying to do is trying to clean that pot so that that nectar can be drunk by everybody. Right now Nimai Pathshala is a free of cost online platform wherein currently more than 5 lakh students worldwide are getting benefit. They are getting the education of Sutra, Stotra and Shastram. You all must be thinking that Mataji is just telling about the regular things, speak the truth, respect everybody, and this motivation is very common. Why is she telling us all of that? Why I told you this is because you need this in order to have the bright future of Bharat. But why did I quote the shlokas with it? Because whatever we are teaching in our schools is parallel to everything that is already being written in our Shastras. You don't need any external motivation. Get connected to your roots. You will find everything there. The biggest motivations, the most, when you read the scriptures, you get to know how blessed we are to be born as humans. You get to realize that what sphere of power you have in your life to bring that change in the world. So I quoted the shlokas because all this is not just motivation. This is what the Shastras also speak. More than 5 lakh students learning shlokas worldwide. We are going to Australia the next month, and we have more than 10,000 students of Nimai Pathshala in Australia who have learned more than 1,000 shloks, and they're going to recite them in the Australian public. The irony is that we are less Indians even though we are in India, but the Westerners are more Indian living in the West. It is the time we wake up. It is the time we start. It doesn't matter. We started with 3, now we are 5 lakh, and many more to come, because we are not going to stop. This mission is going to go, and we are going to reach to everyone and remind them that who they are and to whom they belong. I'm very, very thankful to Shantanu ji, Uttara ma'am ji, Gaurangdas Prabhu ji, many, many Danvat pranams to you. Mata ji, many, many pranams to you. I'm not learned. I'm only a very small, a very less learned teacher of Nimai Pathshala, who by the grace of my Gurudev has taught me so many things that I try to impart that wisdom to all the children. So I'm very excited. However, wherever, in whatever way possible, I can be of any help. I am there with Uttara ma'am, Shantanu sir. I'm ready to serve and very excited to be a part of this and shape that clay from the very beginning. Radha Raman Lal ki Jai.